it's always about the objective, destroy the objective. The last thing I ever want to do is fight the man. Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY. All linked. Unconventional warfare, asymmetrical warfare, it's all linked into this, but it's always about the objective, destroy the objective. The last thing I ever want to do is fight the man.
Because if you're going to fight the man, you need better attributes. You need to be stronger. You need to have a higher skill level. So it's like all those things that you need, you may not fucking have in a time of crisis. So it's like, if you're focusing on fighting the objective, like we want attributes, we want skill sets, in which we grow and we develop those every day. But those help us fight the objective, and they're not the purpose of fighting the man, because we know that there's always someone bigger, stronger than us out there, or more of them, right? So
you need to be stronger, you need to be better, but you also need not to get attacked when you're sick. You need not to get attacked when you're injured. You need not to get attacked when you have your wife and kids with you. Like, the list of things you need for it to work, for you to fight the man, is just never ending. So many things have to go right for you to have a good day if you're going to try and fight the man. Yeah. And it's like we just said, it's like, well, how much, and you said it tonight, like, it might work. It might work for you, but how much risk do you want to assume? You know what I mean? That's the end of the thing, is like, how much risk are you willing to assume when it's your life on the line, your wife's life on the line, your kid's life on the line? I want zero risk.